So we often get asked, what is the best way to use CBD? Well, the best way is just personal preference, really. It just depends on who you are and why you're using it, just how will it fit into your lifestyle. So you can get CBD oils that you would put under your tongue. When you put an oil under your tongue, it takes about 15 minutes to get into the system. It's going to last about 4 or 5 hours. So with an oil, usually people will use it once in the morning, once in the afternoon. But again, it's completely your choice when you use it. Some of my customers just use it at night time, some just use it in the morning, some use it 3-4 times through the day. It's completely your choice. You can get capsules. When you get a capsule, you just swallow it with water. It takes about an hour to get into the system. It's going to last about 8 hours. So some people just prefer capsules because they don't like the taste of oil in the mouth. They also just prefer having that longer lasting effect. They just take it in the morning before they go to work or the start of the day, and then the good all day then. You can also get gummy bears like these here. These ones. You can get gummy bears. These have just got a full spectrum CBD oil inside the gummy. So it's just a tastier way of taking the oil. So you would just chew these up and swallow them. So some of that CBD, when you're chewing it, is going to get in through your mucous membranes in your mouth, which means it'll take effect in about 15 minutes. The rest of it, when you swallow it, is going to be digested. So it'll take about an hour to get in the system and have a bit of a longer lasting effect. The other way to use it is to vape it. Vaping is a very fast method of consumption. As soon as you're vaping, it's going directly into your lungs, so it's gonna work within a couple of minutes. Really, you're gonna notice within a few minutes. But the effect doesn't last very long. It probably lasts about an hour. So if you're just using vaping as your main source of using CBD, then you may need to vape it on several occasions throughout the day. And then we also have creams as well. So if you've got any area of skin on your body that needs some special attention, a cream, you can just rub it on, and the CBD is just going to absorb through that top layer of skin and attach to the cells just underneath. So the best way really is just the way that is most preferred by yourself.